Today I'm going to change out my bulbs, my white bulbs for my fog lights to a yellow LED light, like such. One of the things about the Crosstrek that annoys me a little bit is that these will come on when you're driving at night and you turn to the left one will come on. You turn to the right one comes on. So it appears to a lot of people like you have a fog light out, and people are always pulling over or talking to me when I'm going through a parking lot saying, hey, you got a light out, hey, you're missing the light, and it's bothersome, and it really doesn't help that much for them to turn on so you could see the corner and stuff. So a solution for that would be to leave your fog lights on, because when they're in the on position, they don't go on and off as you turn. So that part isn't annoying, but people don't like you driving down the road with fog lights on all the time. So by putting the yellow bulbs in, I figure they'll be less offensive and I'll keep them on all the time and it'll look cool. I drove up on these wheel ramps to give me more room to work on it, and I'm going to try to remove as little as possible, reach inside and change the bulb. The only tools you need is a screwdriver and a snap rivet remover, which happens to look a lot like a weed puller. Oh, those come out really easy. That is not a big problem. So I took two of them out, and this plastic is very pliable. I think that's all I need to do is take those two out. Look in there. I can see the bulb right there. That shouldn't be a problem. The only problem I have is holding the camera and filming it, so I'm going to set this down, reach in and take it apart. That's all there is to it. This is this 90-degree angle. It goes in straight that way. To remove it, you just turn it clockwise 45 degrees and it slips right out. And they got push tabs here. You push on both sides and pull it out. That removes your light. To put it back in, it just fits properly like this and snaps in. There you go. I just need to bring it up here, find the hole, rotate it 45 degrees like so, and then find the sweet spot, and there it goes. If you're real careful with these pop rivets, you can take them apart. Like so. Kind of push these back together and stick this part in first and then push that in and you're good to go. Simple. Well, that was one of the easiest mods I ever did. I was putting it off for a while because I thought it would be difficult. I only had to remove two of those snap-ons and reach in there and do it, and it was simple. It took literally 5 minutes to do it, and I will run these tonight and see how they look. I already like the change. I want to thank my son Ben, who has a Crosstrek, who changed the bulb once and told me, Dad, it's no big deal. And guess what? It's no big deal.